Sailing vessel Elegant Sea here is April 2019, and we're about to do the HVAC test on the generator. This is going to be a 12,000 BTU Mermaid air conditioner running off the Honda 2000 IE generator. We've just been using the generator with the heat gun to do this eyebrow. Going to do the eyebrow and the cap rails and stuff. We're at anchor out in the Bardi lagoon, and so there's the generator going. Been running for a while. We're doing that heat gun. Coming inside, my lovely wife Debbie, and it's a 12,000 BTU AC. We opened the through hole. We're gonna flip the breaker. And that means we should have some life over here. Oh, no, we don't, because we have to flip this up. So what else is running?
Solar controller.
Well, we're not going to be charging the battery. So. Okay, I'm going to flip this up. So it means we have electricity. There goes the thermostat's turning on. It says it's ready. And I don't know. I'm going to shut the VHF off just for kickers and shut this off, the inverter, the computer and drives and stuff. So there we go. So we're up to 1335, but that doesn't mean anything really. So now I'm going to kick this on, see how we do. I don't know if we're going to need to prime it. On off, temperature says it's 73. We're at 66, so that should kick it on.
Yes, we have water.
Cool, we have water. We have the air conditioner running. We have this fan, it's running too. And blowing air, it's actually cold air, actually. Cool air. Because you know, the boat hasn't been dehumidified. The Honda generator was running on echo mode. Actually, it doesn't sound like it's that much higher than echo mode right now. We're up on deck here. So the 12,000 BTU Mermaid AC is running full blast, and this is what the generator's doing. It started right up when the generator was in echo mode. So that means that when the air conditioner cuts off, reaches temperature, then the air conditioner will throttle back down to echo mode. Yeah, see my cap rail, huh? Coming out pretty good. But that's just another video. Anyway, that's it. We'll go back down below and check it out here. Yeah, blowing cold air. Let's check it out with temperature gun. 64 and going down. 65 and going down. And I gotta keep the gun steady. 66 and going down. We gotta hold it in the right spot. There it is. 64 again, and $63 and I'm going down. Then it's the temperature in here is 77. And so it should blow 15 degrees below what the room temperature is. So anyway, it is. It's working good. Generator's not running real loud, and with some extended fuel, this thing will run easily all night or all afternoon or whatever we want to run it. And so I'm pretty happy with this. Let's see what the reefer's doing. I forgot to check, see, oh, the reaper's running too.
It wasn't though when you started this.
Oh, it wasn't when I started, Debbie said, because I forgot about doing it, but she was keeping an eye on it. So the reaper's running, and the freezer's running. Well, the reaper's running, you know, the compressor's running, and the fan in the reaper is running, and the fan down here is running. You can see that. I threw that extra fan in there. It all runs off of this here with the Easy Start. There's the Easy Start that we installed, and so everything seems to be doing just fine. Don't know what else to say. All I can see on the side.